Okay, so, in Teardown, there's like a secret thing. In Villa Gordon. So if you go into it, ignore that, and then you go to the building over here that's by the racetrack. You need to get into it. So you get into that, and then I just used the liquefy tool for this. You don't have to use it, but so I got rid of that, and then shoot those, and then it opens up like a secret place. Yeah, it opens that. Yeah, it's a door. But basically in here is like Gordon Wu stuff. Well, Wu stuff in general. Like local times, Sunday 7/5, 1958, William Willie Wu wins again. I think that's Gordon Wu's dad or something. But then there's also this very beautiful creation. That sounds very, very good. Like, it sounds really good. You have to agree that it sounds really good. Yes, shoe. Honestly, this song decreases my level of depression. Nah. But this song seriously might actually decrease my depression level. It's so good. Okay, hold on, let me just... Boom. Yeah. And the people watching this video, I get people watching this video, I actually have not the 14-year-old teenage girl, actual like this so much. I like this so much. I honestly find this place like a really cool thing. And I discovered it on accident because I was liquefying literally everything in this building. So but then instead of liquefying the bombs, I exploded them. So then it opened up this. And yeah, I found it. Weird and random. Why does that explain my life so well? Oh, God, it's so freaking bright. Jesus. Oh, triple kill. 간지가 그래 배르면요. Shotgun farmer. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's gone. No more. Oh no, no more. Huh? Yeah. I'm gonna end it here. So, if this is like a tutorial for any of you guys, you're welcome. And also, I'm thanking myself because, as you can see, ta-da, what it reads there, depression cure. So yeah, that is like the stuff that I found in the game. It's probably one of the many Easter eggs I've found, but honestly, this is the only one that this is probably the only one that I will find, and one that I'm glad that I found. Because honestly, I had no idea about this thing before. Okay, so anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.